What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to give you some passive income stream ideas. Now I'm specifically going to go over one of my online businesses. It's kind of fitness related, but it works on any niche. Okay, it doesn't matter what your hobbies are, what your niche is. This will work for you. Now I'm specifically going to show you my 7 different ways that I make over $1,000 or more per month just from this one passive income stream. So if you're ready, let's hop my computer. I'm going to show you exactly what I do and how you can too. Alright guys, so here's what I want to show you. I want to show you this passive income stream that I've created over the past year and a half. Okay, now this is in the fitness niche, fitness industry. Okay, but I want to draw it up here. I want to show you kind of what I'm doing because I have 2 different hubs. Okay, so I have my main hub right here is YouTube. Okay, I'm just going to put YT for YouTube. The second main hub that I have, I'm just going to stick it right over here, and that is a website. It's just a simple website, kind of like a blog. Okay, I'm just going to write web. Okay, so those are my 2 main hubs. These are the 2 things that get all the traffic for me. Okay, and I funnel that traffic into different places. For example, the first one is an affiliate link. Okay, I'm just put AFF for affiliate. Okay, that's the first one. The second one for YouTube is through courses and guides. Okay, I'm just put C and G. Here's what you need to understand about these 2. I usually offer people, the affiliate link first over on YouTube. I do that because this is pretty much my main income is from affiliate offers, okay, affiliate commissions. The second one that I usually promote is the courses and mini guides. These are anywhere from $7, okay, to $27 for either the course is usually $27 and the mini guides are usually about $7. The next income stream that I'm making, okay, now my channel does have, and this is not the Homemade Entrepreneur channel, okay, again, this is a fitness. Let's write fit right up here. Hopefully nobody gets confused. It's a fitness channel, okay. I do have over 1,000 subscribers. I do have over 4,000 hours of watch time. So because of that, I do get money from YouTube ads, okay. I don't make a lot from YouTube ads, okay. I probably make anywhere between $10 to $15 per day. But again, $10 to $15 per day is not bad. Let's say I just make $10. That's $300 per month that I'm making from YouTube ads. Okay. My affiliate marketing, that's the main thing I'm making money from. I'm probably making right about average about $500 dollars per month there. And that's, lately in the past few months, I've had great months where YouTube, my videos just blow up and I make, 12, 15, I think the biggest one was right about $1,600 to $1,700 affiliate earnings. That one's blown up. I think my biggest month I've ever made, a little bit over $4,000, just from the fitness, website and fitness YouTube channel. Okay. Again, this is a separate business than the Homemade Entrepreneur business, than some of my other Amazon, resale businesses, stuff like that. So this is just one business. Next one is the website. Okay. First thing, it's not first thing, but I'm going to put it up here anyway. It's the smallest income that I have from this is a sponsorship. Okay. So here's the way the sponsorship works. Is I have my website and we get a decent amount of traffic, but again, the majority of the traffic is coming from YouTube, and then the second most traffic is coming from Google search. So here, people are paying the sponsorship, and I'm getting paid I think like $10 a month, and these are 2 different people that pay for this. And so what happens is my website has a sidebar over on the side. So I have my website here, have the sidebar here. They pay to have an ad placed right there and right here. Okay, a small little ad. These are very small. Okay, and so these point to their either products or their website. I think this one's a product right here. This one's a website, and again, they're not affiliate links. These are their actual businesses. but they pay $5 a month to have both of those. Again, it's very small, but it does work. They've been paying for, I think this top one's been paying for almost a year. This one's been paying for about 4 months. Okay, this next one, have that. So it makes a little bit of money. Okay, this one down here, we got merch. I do not sell a lot of merch. Okay, I just don't. Because I don't like creating different t-shirt designs and promoting them. I'd rather promote other things like affiliate links, like courses, stuff like that. They're going to pay me a little bit more than just selling a t-shirt, and I make $2 to $5 on each sale. Next one, okay, is ebooks. I absolutely love ebooks. I've been using ebooks for years, and it's very effective business. Okay, the nice thing about an ebook, and one of the reasons why I promote ebooks as well as courses and mini guides, is because some people would rather read a book. My courses and mini guides are all video. An ebook is all written, no video. And then one of the best ones that I've added recently, probably in the past 5, maybe 7 months, somewhere right around there, is a membership. Okay, so we do have a membership. I'll just write that all in there. Membership right there. Okay. The nice thing about the membership, it is $7 a month. Okay. The most members we've ever had was in the end of December, the beginning of February. We had the most members, and most people sign up. Some people, went through a couple months. Some people are still there, but that was the biggest time, and it is because it's a fitness website. Remember that. Okay. It's all fitness. And the reason why I want to, make that very clear is because the time that most people are looking into fitness, losing weight, trying to get their health back together is, right about January, February, the beginning of March. Okay. So because of that, that's when we had the most members. We actually topped out, I think it was like 80, low 80s, members, which still, this is a very small business. Okay. The website doesn't get a lot of traffic. The YouTube channel has, I think right now we're right about 4,000 subscribers. I think we're a little bit under that, 38, 39, somewhere right around there. So still, we got these small subscribers. We post videos every so often, but these are pretty much just evergreen videos. People are looking to, how to lose weight, how to lose, 5 pounds in a weekend, how to lose water weight instantly, how to gain muscle mass quickly, things like that. Just evergreen content, all right? So right here, look here. Okay, we got this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 passive income streams that I can use, okay, to make some money. This is what I'm talking about. This is what most people don't understand, is I started with 2 things, a YouTube channel and a website. Once the YouTube channel started getting traffic, I would then funnel some of that over to the website. I would also funnel it over to my affiliate links, to my affiliate offers. I'd funnel it over to courses and mini guides. Once the traffic got on the website, we have some sponsorships. Okay, again, it's nothing really, but it does help. Okay, it does pay for the hosting of the website, which is great. We do sell some merch, which doesn't pay for much. I think merch, our highest month with merch, I think was only $90, $95. Okay, we haven't even broke $100 in merch yet. Again, we don't sell that much. And again, I don't put a lot of effort into it. I'm bigger into the ebooks. And once people buy the ebooks, one of the things we try to send them to is the membership. I've redone the ebook now, so not just promoting fitness and stuff like that, and read the book and all that. Again, this is something that we sell on Amazon. But this one right here, we just funnel them over to the membership. You can add a link into your ebook and send people over to a membership, or send people to an affiliate link, or send people to a course or mini guide. There's a lot of options here. Okay, so that's what I want to show you is you gotta understand, creating a passive income stream is not difficult. It just takes a little bit of time, takes a little bit of effort. But if you do this consistently and you're always trying to build, you can make money. Again, this isn't a huge income. This right here, it looks complex. You think, oh, it's making millions. It's not. It's not making millions. Okay? On this website, on this YouTube channel, this website alone, this whole thing, what you're seeing right here on my screen, in a year, this probably brings in, I'd say right about $20,000. Okay. So again, it's not a huge income, but if you do this once, you do it twice, do it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, okay? Do this exact same thing 5 different times at $20,000 a piece. What are you making? Okay? $100,000 by the end of the year is probably what I'd make if I did this 5 different times. Okay? Now I do have a bunch of different websites, a bunch of different YouTube channels. Some are doing more. The majority are doing less. Okay? You gotta understand, there's a lot of websites I have that are making $200 to maybe $300 a month. But you add them all up, okay? They do make some money. So that's what you need to understand. Just little by little, start increasing your income, and you will get to whatever goal it is. Whether you want to be a millionaire, a billionaire, trillionaire, you can get there. So now that I showed you kind of what it is that I'm doing, again, I have 2 main hubs. It's YouTube and my personal website, all right? That's it. Those are the 2 main hubs that drive all the traffic. YouTube is the primary one. YouTube drives traffic to my website, and my website then drives traffic to other places. Like I just showed you. From YouTube, I'm driving traffic to affiliate links. So I make some money as an affiliate marketer. I'm getting paid from YouTube themselves because I have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time. So that's another income stream as well. And then in addition to that, I am selling some courses and mini guides. They're usually right between $7 and $27. And that's really it. That's all I'm doing over on YouTube. Over on my website, what I'm doing is I'm selling stuff like ebooks. I'm selling some merch. I don't sell very much merch. It's just shirts with some sayings that I have from my videos and stuff like that. And then I also have some sponsors where they pay to have a set ad run on the side of my website over on the sidebar of my website, and that gives me a little bit of money here and there. It's not a huge income, but something. And then another one is the membership site. Okay, so I have my website, but in addition to that, you can pay, and it's $7 a month, per month, to be part of the membership, where we roll out some different videos that you're not going to see over on YouTube. We roll out different content. Again, it's all on fitness and fitness related stuff. So it's a great little passive income stream, because if you're out there looking for different passive income ideas, you're going to find people that say real estate's the best one. And real estate's an incredible opportunity. However, you need money to make money in real estate. That's just the way it works. You either need money or you need to know somebody that has money where you can actually benefit from them as well. All right? So what I want to explain to you guys is I started this business probably a year and a half ago. I've been making over $1,000 probably for the past 12 to 14 months. It only took 2 to 3 months to really get the business up and going. Then from there, it's kind of just been self-sustaining. I create some videos, I create some content for the YouTube channel plus the website. So in that sense, it's not 100% passive. However, I do pay out some money to other people, to my virtual assistants or VAs, so that they can create some content where I don't have to. So in that sense, it's more passive. But you gotta understand, a passive income stream does not mean it's 100% passive. Sometimes it means where you're putting in 5-10% effort, but you're making that 100% profit. Okay, so I'm not really investing a whole lot of time or money into this business. I could make a lot more, but my priorities are more on teaching other people how to make money, teaching other people how to create a YouTube channel, just like I have here. But that's my priority. So this additional $1,000, or I think last month it was right about $1,600 to $1,700, which was great. Back in January, it was right about $2,800. So you gotta understand, or $2,900, somewhere right around there. My biggest month that I had was $4,170 something. Okay, almost $4,200 from one month, where it was almost 100% passive, because I had other things going on, so I just left it, forgot about it, came back, and I saw I was making a good amount of money. So you gotta understand, as you create these different passive, especially online passive income streams, what's gonna happen is it's not just a steady increase, it's not just a steady climb. Sometimes your business goes up, you got those peaks, you got those valleys, and sometimes it plateaus. But you gotta understand, the more time, the more effort you put into this business, the more money you're gonna be able to make. Okay? So I don't wanna, lie to you and say, this is the easiest thing you're ever gonna do. Creating a passive income stream is tough. It's difficult because most people are not willing to put in that time and effort, because in the beginning, you're not making much money, if anything at all. But as you keep going, as you put more and more effort into it, you build everything up, whether it's a YouTube channel or a website, you see that it's starting to make more money, which means it can be self-sustaining for longer, because now you can hire people, the right people, put them in the right places to run your business for you, right? So that's all I really want to say today. If you guys have questions on creating a passive income stream online, let me know. I've done it for many years. Okay, I've been very successful with it. I don't just have one website. I don't just have one business. I have a bunch of different websites, a bunch of different businesses, and I do this because I want to diversify. I do not want to have all my eggs in one basket. For example, as a YouTuber or an Amazon seller or a niche website builder, that's not what I do. I'm an entrepreneur, okay? And you can be too. So if you guys have any questions, ask your questions down in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.